Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I will go over 5 ways you can earn money. Let's get started. Number 1. Sell your photos. Do you have photo skills or live in an area where images are in demand? Stock photography websites are huge repositories of photographs, covering almost every possible subject you could imagine. So how does it work? Photographers can upload their images to any one of a number of huge databases, allowing magazine editors, designers or any organization with a website to buy them. And the beauty of stock websites. Photos can be sold any number of times so you can continue to make money without any effort. Photography sites to check out include Shutterstock and Getty Images. Number 2. Deliver food to people. Have you heard of Uber Eats? As a delivery driver, you'll be able to deliver food to people. This company is an on-demand delivery service looking for delivery partners with a great attitude. As with other delivery app jobs, you can sign in as available for delivery shifts at your convenience. They'll let you know when there is a delivery opportunity available and you can choose whether or not to take the job. Your rate of pay as a grocery shopper will vary based on a number of factors, such as the size of the grocery order and the miles driven for delivery. A typical reported average pay for doing grocery delivery is $15 an hour. Remember that as with other delivery services, you can get tips along with what you get paid directly from the delivery company. Depending on which company you sign on with, you might be shopping and delivering the groceries that clients order, or you may just be delivering. Delivering for Instacart could be an excellent way for you to earn cash quickly if you like driving and live near a grocery store. It may not be the best long-term solution, but it does offer a great supplement to your current income. Number 3. Babysitter pet sit. One popular way of making quick cash these days is through pet sitting or childcare. The great thing about these types of jobs is that you are usually paid on the spot the same day you do the work or finish the job. Check with local friends, neighbors and family members to see if they need a pet sitter or babysitter, or if they'd like an evening out. A reasonable average pay rate for babysitting services is $10 per hour, and more if you are watching several children. If you can't find friends, family members or neighbors that need help watching their little ones, you could always sign up with a website like care.com to find babysitting gigs in your area. Also offers a way to find local pet sitting and pet walking gigs. Number 4. Rent out a room in your home. Listing a spare bedroom on a vacation rental website can provide easy income that you can make at home. It is important to spend time keeping your property and home clean. To ensure you maintain 100% occupancy, consider renting your home on multiple different sites. Make sure the rooms are fully furnished and include the cost of utilities and perhaps even breakfast in the rental price. You may also want to consider upgrading your internet service to offer the fastest possible internet speed for guests. Number 5. Sell consulting services. Another way to make money online while working from home is through consulting. If you're particularly skilled in a certain field, you may be able to find people who would pay you to offer them advice on their business or personal goals. One way to show others how much knowledge you have to offer is to launch and promote your own blog. You can use social media to promote your content for a low cost or even for free. After gaining a few clients, you may be able to rapidly grow your business through word-of-mouth marketing. You can meet with clients virtually and schedule those appointments at times that meet your own needs. I hope this video was some help to you. Please be sure to like the video and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.